Hello friends, welcome back to English Learning Institute. Today are day 8 from 30 days English challenge. Today we will discuss some important tips for English speaking. Okay, so if you are new, please subscribe our channel and let's go to the video. Don't worry about making mistakes because you will make mistakes as a learner. So don't be afraid. Be patient. This is not a one-day process. So keep practicing and learn some certain phrases that can use in multiple situations. You should also need to know how to greet somebody properly because it's also help you to speak better. Talk slowly and carefully. Don't rush through sentences. And also as a beginner you should strict yourself as a simple sentences, okay? Until you gain a confidence. Watch out for your pronunciation because it's really important. Friends, you also carefully observe how professional speakers of the language pronounce words and frame their sentences. Ask your friends, relatives, and anyone you can to point out your mistakes and correct them. And the last but not the least, the most important tip is speak to them in English only and practice is must. Never forget to like, share, and subscribe this video. Thanks for watching.